What's up, fellow citizens of the world? Jordan Patrick here, and welcome to my channel. I'm super excited because we are déconfiné in France, which means that we are allowed to leave our place without needing to fill out this paperwork, and I just got invited to go join a French barbecue, so I figured why not bring you guys along and show you what that looks like. So on y va, c'est parti!
I've been drinking, I'm driving while texting and speeding. I swear that I ain't going home. You hold my phone and won't leave me alone. I'm blank sleep, I'm blank Coca Patron. I'm on Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron. I've been drinking, I'm driving while texting and speeding. I swear that I ain't going home. If you hold my phone and won't leave me alone, I'm blank sleep, I'm blank Coca Patron. I'm on that Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, I swear that I ain't going home. I'm on that Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron. I've been hiding myself.
We arrived. We're in the countryside in the Limousin region of France, and okay, let's get the party started.
I hold the control, all this Coca Patron, leave me alone. She say I treat it wrong, say I don't believe it at all.
What is this? Ketchup flavored chips.
Parce que là maintenant ça commence à se balader, t'as le PT, t'as les vélos. Mais écoute, confinement pas confinement, quand c'est plus le camion et la voiture, les gens sont toujours sur une appli. C'est super.
2007.
Non, je pense.
Mais ma soeur qui était plus vieille que moi à l'époque, parce que du coup moi j'étais en avec 4.
Ah mais oui. Oui, alors donc je te disais, genre, non mais les deux branleurs,
Qu'est-ce qu'elles ont dit les deux bougères? Je trouve
C'est vers.
Ouais, d'accord.
ils n'ont pas débarqué hein. Non mais par contre ce que je serais curieux de savoir c'est celles qu'ils ont.
Je fais une petite vidéo de barbecue.
T'as raison.
The barbecue is almost ready, and I'm so excited. I'm hungry, and I haven't eaten since 12, so ready to eat. Nom 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 nom. Okay, so if you made it this far, you have watched the barbecue up until this point, and you know, I realized that the video was not as engaging as I would have liked for it to be, but of course, my friends don't really speak English, and you know, it was more about spending time with them and enjoying the barbecue, and it had nothing to do with like the barbecue was not for making a video. I just happened to have the idea to make a video about it. But I thought that it would be really important to kind of mention a few things that I find very different about French barbecues and American barbecues. The first thing is that the topics that people talk about at these barbecues in France. So in a previous video, I did talk about conflict of interest between the US and France, which I'll put up above if you want to check that one out. It's very common in French society to have debates because you want to look at the positive sides and the negative sides of everything to have like a really in-depth conversation and viewpoint, which is cool. And it comes out in these barbecues sometimes where you'll have like a debate and people are like kind of heated, and or at least it seems like they're heated, very like strong-minded towards like this one belief or something like that, which is fun for me to watch as a spectator and watch like them go back and forth. But that's not really my style, especially not in a big group setting like that. So for me, I prefer, you know, just to sit back and listen, but also half the time I can't understand if they're debating about something like a controversial subject. It's like maybe I just turn my brain off. I don't want to understand everything because I don't want to, you know, trigger something and then I jump in and then I'm like screwed. So anyways, topic of interest, that's definitely one point that's pretty different about the things that people talk about. Another one, which is probably the biggest one, is the whole timing thing. So our barbecue didn't start until 8 p.m. and then it's like first you have l'apéro, which is like little snacks and drinks, and then it's like we didn't actually eat the barbecue until nearly midnight. For me, that is super late. It's like I was starving, and it's like that's normally my bedtime, so you know I was ready to like call it a night before I even ate, you know. And then, okay, of course, you eat, and then you're not done until maybe 1 or something. You have another, like, finishing drinks and stuff like that. It's like, we didn't finish till 3. I wasn't home until 3:30. And then my next day was totally screwed. I was so tired, and the next day was Saturday. So it's like, I did not have any sort of productive day. And then another thing that's pretty different, or at least I feel that it's different, is that the products that they're using in cooking and eating here were much more local based things. Here they were eating a lot of like regional products, which I find super cool because it's really good quality and it's really fresh. And so a lot of beef that's from the Limousin region, which is where Limoges is, which I find super cool. And in the States, I wouldn't say that that's that's common at all. Like, I don't remember growing up in Southern California, I don't remember us ever really having that many like local products, at least that I was familiar with. But I would say that's something that you might have to like really look for. Whereas here, it's like, they just have so many local products everywhere you go, that it's pretty easy to pick up. I'm sure you have like butcheries. Oh my god, what is that called in English? Like where you go to get your meat, like a boucherie, but that's it in French. Oh my gosh, please tell me what that's called. Butchery? I don't know why I can't think of it right now. I'm sure we have those like kind of all over the US. It's just that we have more like big supermarkets and just big everything, that it's gonna be more like massly produced and less locally produced. And so that's something that is really unique and cool aspect of these barbecues. I'm sure it's going to be different. Like in Paris, it's probably going to be more mass produced than here in Limoges. But yeah, the whole products and what you're eating and stuff, and that's what the barbecue is mainly about, is good food. So yeah, I would say that those are 3 things that I find pretty different between the barbecues in the US and France. So thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments below like what you call those places where you get meat in the US, because I can't think of it right now. A butchery? I don't know, it's like really not coming to me. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll see you on Sunday for Dimanche de Ouf, and next Wednesday for Wine O'Clock Wednesday. À la prochaine. Ciao, ciao for now. So they were eating a lot of like Limousin boeuf Limousin. Please give this video a like and abonnez-vous à ma chaîne. Aïe aïe aïe. I can't think of that in English right now. Subscribe. Okay.